our portfolios are doing. The market is down today. If you remember when I showed this wallet yesterday, it was sitting around 17,200. So we're down about $200 today. But even with that said, we still have 14,882 in Bitcoin, $892 in Ethereum, $576 worth of Solana, $550 worth of Cardano, about $85 in Sui, and just $29 in XRP. So the market is a little down today. Let's take a look at how is that doing today. This is also down. Bitcoin was around $103, $104 yesterday, $104,000 rather. But we're down to 101,000 today. And you can see the portfolio's down about 400. Well, it is down $412 today. So our holding of BTC is at 11,876 in this wallet. Ethereum at 3,234. XRP at 2,967. BNB at $647. Just a little bit of XLM, just holding that for fun. I will probably add some more XLM, as time goes by. Today's probably a good day to do that as the market's down. And talking about the markets, on a down day like this, when I first started, when I see red and there's blood in the streets and my portfolio is down, I would panic, like, oh my God, I'm losing my money. But having been in crypto for a few years now, I realized that, red days are days of opportunities to buy for cheap. And so what you want to be doing is actually buying some more when the market dips. Now, I say that with a caveat. I don't typically buy meme coins and coins that are too speculative. If you see, I'm holding the tried and tested cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, BNB, which is Binance. So these are coins that have already stood the test of time and they've already proven themselves. I don't gamble. So I know that buying the dip on these, ultimately the market is going to recover. That's been what's happened throughout the history, throughout the time that I've been buying crypto. The market has always recovered, right? From when I started getting into crypto around 2021, 2022, the market has always recovered. So, past performance, they say, is indicative of future results, but going by what's happened in the past, it's more than likely that the market will recover. So these are good days to buy. They're not days to panic and panic sell. When Trump came into presidency, every market went down, including the stock market. But we're seeing a recovery now. If you had sold then at the low of the market, you would have lost money, right? So that's a testament to being patient and not panicking when the market goes down. If you're following the journey, that's where we're at today. You can see this wallet was at 19,000, around 19,003, 19,004 yesterday. It's down $400. We're down to 18,884, but we're not panicking because this is an opportunity to pick up some more. So yeah, that's just my nugget for today. Today is an opportunity to buy because the market's down. I might probably pick, if the market stays low at these prices, I'll probably pick up some more crypto tomorrow. And yeah, that's the video for today. Again, if you want to continue following my journey, the goal is to see how quickly we can get to 100K on both wallets combined. So right now, with this one sitting at 18,884, and this one sitting at 17, what was it again? 17, well, just let's say 17,000. We're roughly around $35,000. It was around 36,000 yesterday, but yeah, it is what it is. It will recover. So how quickly can we go from 36? If you want to see that journey from where we are now to get into that 100K goal in crypto, then make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow the journey. as I document my journal and the ups and downs of the market. And as I'm doing this, I'll also be sharing some of my experience and what I've learned in the few years that I've been buying in crypto. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.